Today's lecture examines cognitive development across the lifespan through an advanced. Our focus is not simply on what cognition is at one age, but on how it changes, adapts, and reorganizes from early childhood through late adulthood. As you view the diagrams and timeline, notice that cognitive development is best understood as a dynamic process shaped by biology, experience, culture, and educational opportunity. In early childhood, cognition expands rapidly as children develop attention, memory, language, symbolic thought, and executive functioning. Visual models of brain growth and classroom interactions help illustrate how play, guided participation, and language-rich environments support concept formation. During adolescence, cognition becomes more abstract, strategic, and reflective. Yet this stage is also marked by ongoing maturation of the prefrontal cortex, which helps explain why adolescents may demonstrate advanced reasoning in one context and impulsive judgment in another. Educationally, this underscores the importance of scaffolded opportunities for inquiry, collaboration, and identity exploration. In adulthood, cognition is shaped by expertise, responsibility, and context. Rather than a simple decline, adult cognitive development often reflects specialization, efficiency, and adaptive problem-solving. Visual case examples can show how professional learning, parenting, and civic engagement strengthen knowledge networks over time. Adults continue to learn through formal education, workplace training, and life experience, demonstrating that cognition remains plastic across the lifespan. Lifelong learning is central to cognitive health. Repeated exposure to complex tasks, social interaction, and meaningful challenge supports cognitive reserve and may buffer age-related change. As the animation shifts to aging, note that some abilities such as processing speed and working memory may decline, while others, including crystallized knowledge, vocabulary, and wisdom-based judgment, can remain stable or improve. Cognitive aging is therefore not uniform. It is selective, variable, and influenced by health, education, and engagement. Developmental transitions and turning points matter because cognition is often reorganized during major life changes, entering school, moving into adolescence, becoming a worker or parent, and adapting to retirement or caregiving. These transitions can produce both vulnerability and growth. A lifespan perspective helps us interpret these shifts as opportunities for adaptation rather than fixed endpoints. Ultimately, lifespan cognition is the study of continuity and change. It asks how people think, learn, remember, and solve problems across time, and how institutions can support development at every stage. For educators, this means designing learning environments that are developmentally responsive, intellectually rigorous, and inclusive across the full human lifespan.